Are you afraid of your PDF file data modifications? In this video, we will describe the best method that helps you to protect PDF files rapidly. Many users protect their PDF files using a password, so that it can keep file content safe and secure to prevent any unauthorized access. You can also prevent unauthorized parties from accessing personal or confidential information. Let's discuss some of the common reasons for securing PDF files. PDF files can be easily accessible from anywhere. If a company wants to download a PDF file from the site, most browsers can access the file. Anyone can use PDF file content if it is not protected. Editing can be done in a PDF file. Furthermore, let's discuss how one can make a secure PDF file. Securing PDF files manually could be a difficult task and requires technical knowledge. So, if you are a non-tech user, then with the use of the SysInfo PDF Protection tool, you can easily protect your PDF files. It's a feature tool offering full security to the PDF file. It allows a user to apply a password on the PDF file to be protected from any unauthorized access. It has different levels of encryption parameters that can be applied to any PDF file. Important features of the tool are: the PDF Protection program enables both single and multiple PDF files at once. Display metadata properties and other PDF details. Uses various forms of encryption on PDF files. It has complex security criteria that can be applied to PDF files. Applies both user password and owner password on PDF files. It allows users to adjust metadata and other PDF information. PDF Protection tool supports any version of Adobe Acrobat tool, i.e. 3.0, and any later version of PDF files. Impressive use interface that can be used by any novice user. It maintains original file content safe and intact during the process. There's broad support for various forms of encryption on PDF files like 0-bit, 128-bit RC4, 128-bit ACE, 256-bit RC4, and 256-bit ACE encryption levels. Working on a tool. Launch the tool first. Choose Files and press the Next button to continue the process. You can see the metadata properties and all other details of the chosen PDF file. Click Next to continue the process. As per your requirements, apply user password as well as owner password on the chosen PDF files. Apply the output PDF security settings and press the Next button. Rename the resultant PDF file. Click on the Protect PDF button to start the process. The process will be completed within a few seconds. Press Yes and close the application. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.